Have you ever woken up to find your roommate staring at you, bewildered, after you've apparently delivered a full, rambling speech in the dead of night? Perhaps a masterpiece like, "The mustard battle starts at quarter after. There's a poisoned eclair on the table." Or even, "Edwina didn't even cry when the crocodile ate her leg." These aren't lines from a bizarre fever dream movie. These were real things spoken by a man named Dion McGregor while he was fast asleep. And he didn't just mumble. This guy gave such intricate, wild, midnight monologues that his roommates actually recorded them. These recordings became an actual bizarre album in the 1960s. But here's the truly creepy part. Dion McGregor isn't unique. Scientists estimate that up to 65% of people have talked in their sleep at least once, and millions do it regularly. So what on earth is happening when your human brain suddenly starts broadcasting unfiltered, often nonsensical dialogue at 3 a.m.? Turns out, your sleeping brain is basically glitching between worlds. When we sleep, our brains cycle through different stages, some deep and quiet, others incredibly active, especially during REM sleep where vivid dreams erupt. Normally, your brain acts as a diligent guard, keeping your body mostly offline during dreams so you don't physically act them out. But sometimes, that system messes up. Imagine a software error. Parts of your brain briefly flicker awake, while the rest remains in a deep slumber. It's like your brain accidentally half-boots into consciousness. And suddenly, your mouth starts talking, spilling whatever wild narrative is unfolding in your subconscious. Scientists studying this phenomenon found something fascinating. During these episodes, brain activity briefly looks more awake than fully asleep, particularly in regions connected to speech and movement. Essentially, your sleeping brain temporarily reconnects to your voice box. It often happens during transitions between sleep stages. Your brain is changing channels, and sometimes the signal leaks out. But what are people actually saying? This is where it gets truly bizarre. Researchers analyzing thousands of sleep-talking recordings discovered some truly shocking patterns. Prepare yourself. Sleeping people swear way more than awake people, dramatically more. Profanity appears several times more often during sleep talk than in normal conversation. People also frequently utter emphatic no's, ask strange questions, deliver angry statements, hurl random insults, spout food-related nonsense, and describe utterly bizarre imaginary scenarios. Apparently, your sleeping brain absolutely loves chaos. One study even found that some sleep talkers sounded like they were having full-blown arguments with invisible people. Others sounded terrified, and some sounded like drunk philosophers trapped in another dimension. Now, before you panic and wonder what dark secrets you've been blurting out, take a breath. No, sleep talking is not your hidden truth escaping. You're not secretly confessing your deepest desires or revealing anything profound. Most sleep talk is complete and utter nonsense. Researchers confirm it usually has less meaning than people think. Your brain is essentially improvising, half unconscious, performing a midnight improv show. But here's an even wilder fact. People can sometimes respond during sleep. In rare cases, scientists have actually held coherent conversations with people while they were dreaming, asking questions and getting surprisingly relevant answers from someone still fully asleep. Even crazier? There are reports of couples sleep talking to each other. Imagine waking up to discover you had an entire midnight argument, perfectly articulate, neither of you remembering a single word. Terrifying. So, what triggers this nightly monologue? Several things significantly increase the chances: stress, sleep deprivation, alcohol, irregular sleep schedules, anxiety, and other sleep disorders like sleepwalking or night terrors. The more disrupted your sleep is, the more likely your brain is to short-circuit during those vulnerable transitions. Some scientists even believe genetics play a role, meaning if your parents sleep-talked, you might inherit the midnight nonsense too. But here's the good news. For most people, sleep-talking is completely harmless. It usually doesn't mean anything is wrong with your brain. It's just one of the strange, fascinating side effects of consciousness powering down for the night. A tiny glitch in the system. A powerful reminder that even while asleep, the human brain never truly powers off. So next time someone tells you that you shouted, "Protect the spaghetti vault," in the middle of the night, Just remember, your brain was probably just rebooting.